everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Rich gourd is a vegetable that can be used to make many dishes. I'm personally a fan of simple curries made with rich gourd. Today I'm going to share one such recipe which is very simple and tasty. This is rich gourd Chana Dal curry. It's a great dish. You can enjoy it with chapatis or rice. So let's get started and check it out. Take a white kadai and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat it and add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal. Also add 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Cumin Seeds and sauté until the mustard seeds start splattering. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of Hing and 1 finely chopped large onion. Sauté for about a minute and add about 5 green chilies. Pound 5 garlic cloves roughly and sauté for about 1 more minute. I've already soaked about a handful of Chana Dal in water for half an hour. So I'm adding the same soaked dal to the kadai now. Mix it all well and add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix it well. Now add 1 cup of water to the kadai to let the dal cook. For that, keep the flame on medium. Cover the kadai with the lid and cook the dal for about 10 minutes. Dal should not be too hard or too soft. It should be firm and cooked. At this stage, add 2 rich gourds cut into medium-sized pieces. These are very tender and I have removed the skin over them. Now mix it all well. And add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Now you can adjust the chilli powder according to your taste. Also add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it all well and add some fresh curry leaves for a nice aroma. Give it a quick mix, keep the flame on low. Cover the kadai with the lid and cook the curry for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see that the curry is so well cooked in the water released from the rich gourd pieces. This is why I never added water to the curry because rich gourd has a good amount of water content in it. At this stage, check for seasoning and add a bit of salt if required. I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon of salt here, but you can adjust it according to your preference. Mix it well and now the curry is done. Lastly, I'm going to garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves. And that's it. Our rich gourd Chana Dal curry is ready to be served nice and hot with some nice hot rice and ghee. You can enjoy this with fulkas or even chapatis. I really enjoyed the rich gourd curry with that nice hot steaming rice and ghee. Simple flavors but wholesome. So this is something that you can try and you can enjoy it with fulkas, chapatis or even with rice. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.